Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. 12 divide 6, then divide 12, then divide 6. Okay, so most people see this question and solve this question quickly, like 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Then again 12 divided by 6 is equal to also 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this question, one division, here is also division and here is also division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so now 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2, then divide by 12, then divide by 6. So now 2 divided by 12 can be written as 2 by 12, okay, divided by 6. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction same as it is 2 by 12. C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last fraction. 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Now to divide this 12 by using 2. So here is 6 and divide 2 by using 2. So here is 1. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Then 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. Okay. So the correct answer is 1 by 36. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.